Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about Notion AI, a powerful new AI assistant that can help you with all sorts of tasks, from writing blog posts to generating code. Notion AI is a generative AI platform that can be used to create and edit content, translate languages, and write different kinds of creative content. It is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including number 1. Writing and editing text content, such as blog posts, articles, and emails. Number 2. Generating different creative text formats, such as poems, code, scripts, and musical pieces. Number 3. Translating languages. Number 4. Answering questions in an informative way. And number 5. Summarizing text, features, and functionality. Notion AI is a very versatile tool, and it can be used for a variety of purposes. Here are just a few examples. Number 1. Write blog posts and articles in minutes. Notion AI can generate high-quality blog posts and articles on a variety of topics. Simply give it a topic and a few instructions, and it will do the rest. Number 2. Create marketing materials. Notion AI can be used to create marketing materials such as social media posts, email campaigns, and landing pages. Number 3. Generate code. Notion AI can generate code in a variety of programming languages, such as Python, JavaScript, and Java. Number 4. Translate languages. Notion AI can translate text between over 200 languages. Number 5. Answer questions. Notion AI can answer questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. And number 6. Summarize text. Notion AI can summarize text of any length, providing you with a concise overview of the main points, performance, and user experience. Notion AI is still under development, but it is already very easy to use. The interface is clean and intuitive, and it is easy to find the features you need. Notion AI is also very fast. It can generate text, translate languages, and write code in seconds. Pros. Number 1. Versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. Number 2. Easy to use. Number 3. Fast. And number 4. Inexpensive. Cons. Number 1. Still under development, so there are some bugs and limitations. And number 2. Can generate text that is factually incorrect or plagiarized, if not used carefully. Pricing. Notion I have 4 plans. Number 1. Free. Unlimited blocks for individuals. Limited block trial for teams. Number 2. Plus. A place for small groups to plan and get organized. $8 per user per month billed annually and $10 billed monthly. Number 3. Business. For companies using Notion to connect several teams and tools. $15 per user per month billed annually, $18 billed monthly. And number 4. Enterprise. Advanced controls and support to run your entire organization. If you want, then you can request a demo or request. Notion AI is similar to other AI writing tools such as Bard and GPT-3. However, it has some unique features, such as the ability to generate code and translate languages. Overall, Notion AI is a powerful and versatile AI assistant that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is still under development, but it already has a lot to offer. If you are looking for a powerful AI assistant to help you with your work, I highly recommend checking out Notion AI. You can learn more about Notion AI and sign up for the beta program on their website.